Man is superior to the still, the vegetative, and the animate. He's the most developed being on the planet. And in his hands are the forces of good and evil. And man doesn't know how to correctly use them. We're using our entire ability to destroy the planet, to destroy ourselves, and eventually, if we look at the future, it looks really grim. We're the only creatures that can change ourselves for the better or for the worse, that can destroy the entire planet, or to the contrary, to develop and restore it. And therefore, we're approaching a state that the Wisdom of Kabbalah calls the recognition of evil, where we acknowledge the evil of our own nature, and that we really need to change ourselves. And the first stage is that we become concerned with how we treat each other. Because a person who wants to destroy others as if to his own benefit, thinking that by that he promises himself a better future, is gravely mistaken. We need to understand that there can be no better future unless we think about the future of man, about everyone's well-being. The future of the world depends on the future of man, and vice versa. And now we need to decide, do we want to destroy ourselves, or do we want to continue existing? Man will need to learn how to correctly use his powers of intellect and emotion. The Wisdom of Kabbalah explains how can man use his forces correctly, and how can he reach the best and most optimal state.